Welcome to today's market update. I'm Maya Keynes, joined by financial expert Eli Sterling. We've got a packed session ahead covering global elections, crypto volatility, and key technical indicators shaping today's trading landscape. Eli, let's dive straight in. India's poorest state, Bihar, kicked off voting yesterday in what's being called a referendum on Prime Minister Modi's leadership. What does this mean for markets?
Thanks, Maya. This election is indeed pivotal. With over 100 million eligible voters, Bihar's results could signal whether Modi's BJP maintains its stronghold post a tumultuous year. Polls show the popularity gap between Modi and opposition leader Rahul Gandhi narrowing to just 9%. That uncertainty alone is enough to rattle domestic markets and ripple through emerging market funds.
Let's turn to global equities. The U.S. private sector saw its worst job losses in over 2 decades last month, sparking fears of a rapid labor market cooldown. Meanwhile, Fed officials continue to emphasize inflation risks. How are these dynamics playing out in Asia?
Asian stocks took a hit as traders reassess AI valuations amid concerns about economic slowdown. China's exports fell unexpectedly, compounding pressure on regional indices. In particular, we're seeing tech-heavy names like EVs and semiconductors underperform against value stocks, a notable shift given Beijing's push in those sectors.
On that note, let's bring crypto into focus. Bitcoin recently peeled back sharply from its highs, closing a $30 million trade as momentum shifted. Can you walk us through what happened technically?
Absolutely. Bitcoin Tether has been consolidating around key support at $98,000. A level that historically acts as a strong floor in bull markets. However, the short-term 4-hour chart shows lower lows and lower highs, signaling bearish continuation, unless price breaks above $105,000 with volume. Traders are watching closely for any sign of renewed buying interest.
And speaking of signals, our technical reports highlight several interesting setups. For instance, Avalanche Tether is showing mixed momentum across multiple indicators. What's your read on this pair?
Avalanche presents a fascinating case study. While the daily BHS indicator confirms a strong bearish trend, stock RSI and moving average convergence divergence both generated bullish crossovers recently. These contradictory signals suggest caution. Traders should wait for clearer alignment before taking aggressive positions. A break above the 50-day simple moving average would be a good confirmation point.
Turning to traditional markets, Nvidia continues to slide on the 4-hour time frame, forming a clear downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Where do you see risk lying here?
Indeed, Nvidia's structure tells a bearish story. Our smart trend analysis flags a fresh supply zone between $198 to $201, capping any potential rally. Until price reclaims and holds above $202, the path of least resistance remains south. Volume spikes confirm institutional selling, so retail players should tread carefully.
Before we wrap up, one more quick look at Solana Tether. It's been bouncing within a shallow Fibonacci retracement zone. Is this consolidation setting up for a breakout or a trap?
Good question. Solana is holding firm above the 38.2% fib level, which is generally a healthy sign during an uptrend. But we also see bearish alignment in moving averages and moving average convergence divergence, hinting at lingering weakness. I'd recommend watching the $168 mark. If it holds, buyers may gain confidence. Otherwise, expect deeper retracement toward 160.
We'll leave it there for now. Thanks, Eli, for breaking down such a dynamic mix of geopolitical and technical developments. Listeners, keep an eye on those key levels, especially in Avalanche, Bitcoin, and Nvidia. Don't forget to check our visuals for real-time chart insights. Until next time, I'm Maya Keynes. You stay informed, we'll help you stay ahead.